Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music from your mobile through the audio system in the 2016 Audi A1. What we do, we go to music, we'll click, well, I won't click anything at the moment, but if you see there, Audi MMI 1622, if I click on there, it shows you two choices. If I click there, music would play through the phone. There, the tick next to Audi, any audio from this phone, be it iTunes, Spotify, Amazon Prime Music, the soundtrack of a video on YouTube, will play through the system if you have it set right. So, Audi MMI, I'm going to turn it down, click play. Then we have to go over to the system, and you've got media here. Click on media. It says there, no medium inserted. So that's on a CD or auxiliary or something. We want source up here. As I said before, source, each instruction in the corner corresponds to one of these. They don't look like buttons, but they are. There's 4 buttons around the rotary control. Source is the top right hand one. We click the top right hand one. It then gives you a choice. Navigation medium, empty, not connected, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. Click on that. That's showing the track that's playing. Now, if I turn this up, actually that's the volume, and then I turn this up. That's how you play music.